Hello, ladies. Imagine you waking up tomorrow where your calendars are already filled with high paying clients who trust you, and your business is already thriving, your revenue is growing. Sounds incredible, right? Well, let me help you to achieve this in reality. Well, it's not a dream, it's your next reality. Welcome to my webinar, Revenue Breakthrough Blueprint, where I will tell you and teach you in three simple steps to achieve those leads. Number one, how you can automate your system with simple tools and techniques. Number two, simple strategies which you can adopt in your business and implement soon. Number three, your roadmap to the vision you want to achieve in 2025. Let me show you how you will reach exactly there through my webinar. Reserve your spot now, hit the link button and register for me. Empower your journey, achieve your dreams. I'll see you at my webinar on 11 Jan at 11 a.m. 2025.